Today I'm going to show you how to retouch gray hair in Photoshop. So here we are in Photoshop with an image by Hellhake on Unsplash. And in order to retouch his hair, we're gonna first of all duplicate the layer by pressing Ctrl or Command J. And then we will grab a brush, which is a soft round. We click on the soft round brush, make sure from the drop down menu using soft round from the general brushes, you click on that. And here you can see the mode of the brush. So from the mode of the brush, instead of normal, we are going to use multiply. So let's select that. Our opacity is 100%, flow 4%. And we are going to sample a color by using color picker here on the menu, and we're gonna choose a mid-tone, so not too dark, not too light, just the color of his hair that you want him to have. So let's say I'm gonna select this color, yeah, and we grab the brush with the flow 4%. We just gradually paint. So it's gonna be darker on the roots in order to look nice, yeah. And just gradually you paint that with the mode multiply. See how the gray hair disappears? Don't be afraid to go a little bit beyond the hair so that it's create a little bit of shadow, because dark hair create a lot of shadow. So a little bit here. Anywhere that you see gray hair, you can use the brush. A little bit here, a little bit there. And let's go back here. And you already see the difference, half and half. Yeah, we go here on the roots. We just dye them back. There we go. A little bit here on the ends as well. Okay, that's good enough for me, I guess. And if you want, you can also, get rid of the gray hair on his beard. So you brush the color here and there. You make it darker here maybe when some stray gray hairs are. It's all very gradual. And that's it, guys. Let's see the before and after. So this is before and this is after. Before, after, before, after. Brilliant. Thank you so much for watching and see you in my next video. Bye.